Good morning. Today is May 9th, 2020, and today's refinishing project is located in Pleasant Hill, California. Okay, so today in Pleasant Hill, we're going to be refinishing this old cast iron bathtub here and this porcelain sink. As you could tell, we've already been prepping out this bathroom here, masking here and there. This sink is prepped and ready to go. It's not too bad, it's in decent condition. The customer just wants it the same color as the bathtub, and then there's a little bit of rust here that we have to take care of. So not too bad, but this bathtub was refinished years ago, and as you can see, this solution that's over it, we're in the process of fully stripping this bathtub from the previous coating that was applied. So that's what we like to do on a bathtub that's been refinished or a fixture. We like to fully strip it off and from the old coating, get it back to the bare surface and do our process on it. So, okay, so this is the job today, this cast iron and this porcelain sink here in Pleasant Hill, California. And we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so the cast iron bathtub, before it had an old coating on it. So we had to fully strip the old coating off, bring the tub back to its original surface, and start our refinishing process from there. There's a slip resistant on the bottom of this tub that we applied during the process. It's an option for a customer if they want it. We'll put it down for them during the process. So. This is a bright white color, and looks really good, really shiny. Turned out really nice. All right, so here's the sink. This vanity sink here. Refinished in the same color as the bathtub, and before it had some rust building up right over here in this area, so we repaired that and fully refinished the sink as well. Okay, so there we go. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.